What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I believe XRP is going to be worth trillions. I'm on the record saying this multiple times, and I will say it again today. I've stated my case as to kind of why it's going to be worth trillions. But we all know that this is just my opinion. Anybody else can have any opinion that they have, and you can treat it as if it is fact. Obviously, I'm not treating it as if it's fact. This is the way that I feel of what's going to happen based on the things that I've looked at, based on the research that I have. Um, and I also have scenarios in place to where either way I will profit, whether it's worth trillions or not. But my mindset and the way that I think is telling me that XRP is going to be worth trillions at minimum, right? Multiple trillions. Now, if it gets to 5 or 10 or more than that trillions, that really all depends on the things that happen, the community that's behind it, the use that we see overall with it, and we can always talk about that at a later date. But if you guys could, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my links down below, it will help out the channel. You can check out today's video sponsor, FortisX. That'll be in the description. FortisX keeps your holdings working for you. If you are holding things like XRP for a very, very long time, you might as well gain something with it as you are holding. Earn up to 20.81% variable APY on your holdings of XRP, Ethereum, USDT, and others. This is with no lockups. You can withdraw anytime that you want to, and it's built for those long-term holders. So this is a look at my portfolio of what I have. I have 23,000 XRP over on FortisX invested into a liquidity pool of which I gained 306 XRP over the last, let's say, 30 days or so. It's a little bit less than 30 days, but 30 days or so. I gained 10 XRP per day. Right now, that's $10 per day. In the future state, when it's worth 5 or 10 or $20, I'm gaining so much more. I'm gaining 10 or 20 times what I'm gaining today. Now, you can do this, at your own risk. Everything has any type of risk, but FortisX does assure me that you have checks and balances, audits, you have U.S. filings, everything that they want to do to be in the public eye, as well as doing these checks that we all want to see. So feel free to check it out. I have, just for reference, I have 10% of my XRP portfolio over here on FortisX. So if you guys want to use that, feel free to use that for reference. But guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, check out that link down below. And also, if you want to look at my link for BTCC, please do so. You can get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. I use that platform. I've been using that for 2 years as well. Now, XRP stands at a spot where some people might find it unique. Some people might look at it and go, it's not worth it. And I hate the people that look at stuff and just go, oh, it's down to a low price, it's not worth buying into. The whole mindset of buying investments is to what? I'll let you answer. Buy low and sell high, right? That's the whole mindset. But for some reason, anytime someone sees a crypto crash or a stock crash or whatever crash, they go, I don't want to buy that. I don't want to hold on to that. It's going to fall more. I don't want to see this thing grow to a massive level, right? Or I want to see it grow to a massive level, but I don't think it's going to, right? So XRP currently stands at a $1.15 price. It's up all time 19,000%. If we look at the last month, it is up by 1%, 1.6%. The last week, it's up by 5%. The last 24 hours is actually up about 4%. We are seeing this at a $72 billion price point, which is great. $1.45 billion worth of volume. And if you look at the circulating supply, you have 62 billion coins. Now, holders, 544,000, so that's a lot of holders. 2 million watches that this is on, 2 million votes within the community sentiment, 87% that says this is bullish, 13% that says this is bearish. Now, putting all of that aside, I have my own feelings as to why XRP is going to be worth Trillions. Well, first we got to understand, right? How many US cryptocurrencies do we have? And that's out there. We probably have a good amount of US led cryptocurrencies, US created cryptocurrencies. How many of those have the backing of a business? Maybe you have a few. How many of those have the backing of a huge, or let's just say massive business? Probably one. And you would look at XRP as that. Ripple is a huge US company and will be publicly traded at some point. And XRP is the baby of that parent, right? Is the child of that parent company. XRP is a US based massive cryptocurrency that has everything that we want within a cryptocurrency. Just talking about that, people will look at it and go, okay, it's created in the US, especially if we're talking about anybody that's watching from the US, people that are watching outside the US. You understand how much we put into what we want as like a globally led or globally accepted cryptocurrency, of course. And that's what we kind of want to see. We want to see that, it's created at home, that, you have the ability to not necessarily control it, but change some things here and there to benefit, to make it a little bit better, and also be globally accepted everywhere, right? XRP has the security, it has the speed, it has the cost, it has the efficiency, it has the connection, it has the community, it has a lot of what we want. So if we just take a portion of let's just say we take 50% of the US dollars that are in circulation and say that's flowing through XRP, because that's the easiest way, right? Now you're looking at 1 trillion, a little over $1 trillion that's flowing through XRP. Well, guess what? If you have $1 trillion worth of XRP, then you need to see, first of all, the market cap's at $1 trillion because it's 1 trillion worth of XRP, but also what is the price? The price at a XRP $1 trillion level is around the 15 to 20 cent price. So you're seeing it at a higher price. You're seeing it at worth $1 trillion or more. And now you see the flow through banks. Now, if you're talking about cross-border payments and the amount that's housed, you have roughly $1.5 trillion that's on hold just because they have to go through this process of sending, and the length of process that it gets to get there, and all that stuff. If we don't have that, and it's nearly 2 seconds for completion, 3 seconds for completion, well, now you don't necessarily need to house that, but you can still utilize the flow that's going through. So there's a lot. Right, we can look at the basic level and say this makes sense to be worth trillions. You can look at a more complex level while also including that basic level and say this is going to be worth multiple trillions. And it really just speaks to you to say it's going to be worth way more than people think. So whether you fight me on the fact that it's going to be worth trillions, or you fight me on the fact that it's going to be worth, tens of trillions, whatever, or even if it's going to be worth hundreds of billions again, that's fine. This is all based on my opinion and what I'm doing with my cryptocurrency. I have it. I believe in it. The reason why I believe in it is because of all of the things that are in front of me, as well as the things that are behind closed doors. Guys, I want to know what you think. I know some people may be on the other side, maybe like, I don't like XRP at all, and that's fine, right? Tell me the reasons as to why you don't believe it's going to go anywhere. Is it just because of what we are seeing right now, price wise, or are you seeing something news wise that's telling you XRP is just not going to be used the way we think it is? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, I'd like to put in there, right now XRP, or let's say Ripple, is partnered with 300 plus banks, and Ripple has stated that XRP will be the center of their universe, meaning that if they are partnered, XRP will be used. XRP will have a use whether they use XRP or not, if that makes sense. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out the links down below for 4 to 6 and for BTCC. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.